Hey everyone and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. You all ask me these questions. How do you edit your videos? How do you use your tripod or any other thing? Which is the best editing software? Do you edit your videos on computer or on smartphone? And yeah, I'm having still a million different types of questions on my list till now. And the answer is, yeah, I edit my videos on both computer and smartphones. And today I have brought a very special video for all of you to tell that which smartphone best, my favorite app do I use to edit my each and every video. So the app is Filmix. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as today is another BBR Sunday, and so I brought for all of you a very interesting video in which, as I've told you all, I'm going to reveal that my secret app, and it is, you all got it, it's Filmix Pro Editing app. Now it is actually a pro editor app, but even if you not take that pro, or if you take that pro, you're gonna make your videos more advanced. Now I've taken the pro editor app full pro version, so I'm having a lot of different types of things. Okay, so I rate Filmix app about 5 stars, and I'm assuming you that the video is not sponsored by Filmix and the video is not at all sponsored by anyone. And all the opinions about Filmix which I'm gonna mention in this whole video are 100% of my own. So I rate Filmix 5 stars. Filmix is having an average rating of about 4.7 stars and has about 192k plus reviews. It is having a really very great reviews and has plus 10 million downloads. So quickly take out your mobile phone, go on Google Play Store and quickly search Filmix and download it and start editing the app with me. So today I have brought for all of you an editing video in which I'm going to show you all few small clips, and I'm going to edit it with pro features I have, and you're going to get how to edit it. Well, it's my very secret app which I'm telling to all of you. So I hope that you all are also going to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. Don't forget to leave me a like, share and comment, because I'm revealing my most secret app for all of you. Okay, so why are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so Filmix app is our wish, so let's start the video in a swish. So here is it, my all-time favorite Filmix app. Let's start by opening it. So this is the first page of Filmix app. Like, there are about 4 parts, and so let's start with the first part, which is Studio. Now in Studios we are having My Works part, in which all of your saved videos are there, and in Drafts part there are unsaved videos in which you can quickly edit. Now I'm simply one thing, if you have your data on, Filmix app gives you about 5 to 6 seconds different types of ads for opening this material. So first was theme. Let's move to music. So there are different types of choices for you to choose which music you want. Now these are the effects. So these are really very beautiful effects, one of the most attractive part of this app. There are of course VIP different types of things, but even if you don't purchase VIP, the app is totally free for you then. Now the next are the textiles. You all must have noticed these textiles in my videos. Now next is the Jiffy part, one more attractive part. You all must have noticed that subscribe buttons and what you can say next, that bell icons, then smiley faces, then thumbs ups, sparkles, etc. They all come from this part. Now I must include here also, you're needing your data on. At this Jiffy part, searches all over different types of beautiful Jiffys and it brings to you. Now if you like some more Jiffys, quickly go and download it. Press that download button and it is downloaded in your Filmix app. Now let's move to the next part, is stickers, one of the most beautiful part. So now let's move to the 3 stickers which I have on now my updated Filmix app. So these are the different types of pro feature stickers, but very funny. Now the next is sound effects. It's all over to you to choose your sound effects. It is having a variety of different types of sound effects for making your videos more interesting. Now these are the fonts. I have downloaded each and every font they put in every month. Now let's move to the next part, and it is the editing of our videos. So this is where you can see our videos are saved after exporting our videos. So in gallery also and Filmix app also. Now let's start by editing a new different type of file. Now this you all must have got is from one of my video bullet journal setup for 2021. Let's start by editing. Press that plus button and add a blank clip. Select whichever color you want. Now I'm wanting a dark blue color as it's really very dark, and so my wide different types of text can be visible on it easily. Now put the duration plus 10 seconds and I'm gonna make it till 20 seconds. So my video is going to be of about, I think so, 25 seconds. Yeah, it is it. Now let's move to the FX effects part. So here first I'm going to start by choosing which effect I love the most. So now you can try different types of effects how you like. So I'm trying out really very different effects. I have downloaded some new, so I'm really very excited to try them out. But the one I'm going to select is this Fire Club one. And what you can do is you can quickly rotate that, make it small. Now these effects also have their own sound. If you're wanting their own sound to come in the video, it's great. If you don't want, still it's okay. Now I'm gonna put over here is a curtain. Yes, it means that the show is about to start. And this is one of the newly one I have downloaded and I just loved it. Okay. Now let's start by doing some text effects. I'm typing is our channel name Unique Chat BBR for our channel name to go in the side. Now I'm just seeing some textiles which will just fit over there. Different types of textiles. Now I've downloaded a lot of them. So I'm having a variety of them and I need to choose which one suits. But I'm gonna choose is of course plain one. So I'm gonna make none and go in FA, which is fonts, and just make it for domain, which is Roman lettering. And I'm gonna fill it to the right side so it becomes proper, and I'm gonna apply that text to the whole video. Now this is it how it looks. Now I'm gonna start by adding some more fonts for it to look really very beautiful. Now you can also start by adding fonts. All over to you to choose how many fonts you have, but Filmix has an what you can say limited time that on one slide at one time you can only add 5 different types of fonts. But there is also a technique to make it more than 5, which you all want to invent and see. So as you explore the app more, you're gonna get some more secrets of it. Now we have written is we make BBR best book reviews plus unique stuffs to make you a unique bookworm, plus with a lot of knowledge plus creativity, and I'm also gonna write that and motivation, and I'm also gonna write etc. because we are having lots and different types of things in our channel. So if you have not subscribed, quickly please press that subscribe button, okay? Well, that's very important for all of us, and each of you subscribers are really very important for me. Now I'm just trying out different types of text effects. I love this heart shape one border effect. Now you can adjust it the size as you want, big, small, adjust when it should be applied. It's really very easy to use and it really makes really very pro videos. So it's it. Now over here you can add some more. Now I'm adding is don't forget to follow us. Sorry, follow and connect. Wow. Follow and connect with us on all of our social media platforms. And once it's done, press that OK button. And then start by adding different types of fonts you want. Now this is the perfect font I found for it. And just adjusting it, making it big, small, adjusting its fonts. Now I've done it to Lobster. It's a little bit of cursive type, so it's proper over there. Now I'm just adjusting at which style, which second, which font should be. So I'm just making it little small. And then at that time I'm also gonna write is now our Instagram account name. So it's UniqueChatBBR101. So if you have not followed us and connect with us on our Instagram account, quickly go and check it out. It's really very amazing. We post our BBR videos and a lot of updates about us. So do follow us on that. Now like this, I have put the Instagram account theme, the textile of it. So and just adjusted it. Now let's move to the next. It is YouTube. So I'm gonna write as our channel name. It is UniqueChatBBR. You all know it. And just add the YouTube effect to it, the YouTube textile to it. And make it Lobster font. Now it's all over to you to choose its font. You can make it bigger, you can rotate it, you can make it smaller, as you wish you can do with it. Like this, just adjust at how much time it should properly come up, and yeah, it's it. Now the next part I'm gonna put is don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. And of course, don't forget that bell icon. Please turn it to allow the notification the first part you see it. So you can easily write that over there. Okay. And then just start by adding effect you want. Now I'm having a lot of different types of effects. You all must have saw it from my previous 21 videos. Yeah, I like this much and I'm just adding it, just doing it a little bit of small and just seeing whether it is perfectly done. Can you all read it in that particular time? And if you are not able to read it, I'm going to make that visibility a little bit of more. So now we can little bit of properly read it. So once it's done, you can just make it small, big. In the middle you can also put it anywhere you want. You can put and just start by doing its editing. You know, editing is a really very nice activity and just makes us really very fun and all. Now I'm gonna write here is unique readings. Just add the effect which we do every time, the square and the dot effect. I just change it font to Lobster and then just apply it to the next and just start by adjusting all of them properly. Yeah. So everything should be up to date as you all see. Now you can edit these videos very simply. So this is how it looks. And once it's done, once everything's done, check the video again. So you can get a proper compact that yeah, this is proper, no, at this point is wrong. You can quickly correct it. Now when you press that button of that correct, you can quickly go and edit it in different types of things. Now we are going to go in effects and just start by taking an effect. Now this one heart shape is too small. Then I'm going to take is yeah, this love heart shape. Wow, it's just beautiful. So I love this one for unique readings. na. It's okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next part, and it's transition. So it's all over to choose its transitions. Like there are about 4 different types of transitions in this whole channel, but when you apply the themes of this whole video, the themes take their own transition. Now we are doing is voiceover, and in that voiceover there is a very beautiful feature that you can convert your voice into any other different types of options. It is gonna transcode your video, and that's it. The voice is changed, and if you don't like, delete it. Now the next we are gonna do is Giphy. So let's start by first I'm gonna see at what time should I Giphy it. Yeah, here I'm needing is books to read section, because I'm needing different types of books. So I'm gonna write over here is read book. So it's quickly gonna search and just give me different types. When I'm gonna pull it down, refresh it, it's gonna bring me whichever I have downloaded. So I've downloaded this, read more books, and then I'm just going to adjust it till the whole text is. So you can quickly adjust it. Now I'm going again, and now I'm writing a reading books, and then again refreshing. So now I'm just going down, sticking for some new. Wow, these are really very great. So I just quickly downloaded them. Now I loved it is reading time. So we all have to take a day or a particular hour for reading time. It must be a reading time. Now let's move again and just write reading books, because I loved that girl. I just downloaded it, but first I needed that reading time one, and then just adjust it as you want. A bit of left side, so it's perfect. And I'm also gonna add sparkle, a small beautiful sparkle, so that it really looks beautiful. So I'm gonna type over here is sparkle, and then you can just see when I'm going to refresh it, it's gonna show me the sparkle I have used a lot and I've downloaded it. So this is the sparkle I use, and I've really downloaded it. I have used it more in my bullet journal setup video. I've used it a lot more while showing my bullet journal. So if you have not yet watched that video, I'm putting a link down this video in the description box about that video, bullet journal setup for 2021. Now let's move to the next part. I'm gonna type is Instagram. Now there are different types of Instagram Giphies. I'm gonna refresh it again or pull it. So this is my downloaded one. It has different types of things, but I wanted this one. Then just rotate it as you want. You can make it. You can make it mirror as you wish. Yeah. You can just make it visibility more bigger, smaller as you want. Now I'm gonna type is YouTube, as I'm also wanting some more best different types of Giphies to come. Again refresh, and this is that pink subscribe button, one of my favorite one. So here this is an Instagram beautiful Giphy. I'm gonna quickly download it. I really loved it. Now this is a beautiful bell icon Giphy. I loved it. And this is the red what you can say subscribe Giphy of our YouTube. I really loved it, and so I had already downloaded it. Now this is don't forget to subscribe. Now I found that two really very beautiful, my favorite subscribes. So I'm gonna type the same YouTube and again refresh. So let's soar again and choose that subscribe button with that bell icon, and you can just quickly adjust where you want. Now there are different types of beautiful what you can say, subscribe buttons if you want. Now you can edit any of your short clips, big videos in just few minutes, in just few days, or in just few hours. It's all over to you how much time you take to edit them. Now I take really a lot of time if the video is so lengthy, because I highlight each and every important point I like. Now I am putting this beautiful like, comment and share 3-in-1 Jiffy, and I'm just going to make it size a little bit of small as it's quite big. So just shifting it, making it small, and then just shifting the subscribe button and the share, like and comment buttons. This is how it looks. And then unique readings. Now in unique readings we don't want any Jiffies. So once again, go watch it, or if it's done, click that tick button. Now next, what do we need to do? It's okay, done. Full volume if you want. You can also add multi-music. You can also watch the video like this if you want to see the whole video, how's it going on while editing. And if it's okay, if you're all okay, first close the data, because ads are gonna come, but still ads will come. Do it for HD, and it's really gonna download very fast if the clip is really very slow or very short. Well, this is only of 25 seconds clip, so it's gonna download in just 2 minutes. But if the clip is of about 30 minutes, it's gonna take about big time for you. So it also sees ads. So what you can do is you can just make your data off when you are just saving it. So before saving, before taking that orange tick button, quickly off your data, so all the ads will be gone as you don't have any data. So this is my works part. It's saved there of 26.3 seconds now it has become, and yeah, it's done. And so this was the editing of our show. And so that was all from me for all of you today, and I hope you loved the video, and I hope you loved this special concept. And of course, as I've already told you all, I have given you that my secret all-time favorite app. Please press that subscribe button. It's now red. Please make it grey, and after you make it grey, after you subscribe our channel, you're gonna see a small bell icon. Please press that bell icon, and first option is allow the notification. Please allow it. And so that was all from me, and I do hope that you love this video, and happy watching and happy learning and happy editing your videos. And a new video is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at 5 PM. And unique